As the automotive industry continues to evolve, hybrid vehicles have emerged as one of the most practical and cost-effective choices for drivers in 2026. Combining a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor, hybrid cars offer the perfect balance between fuel efficiency, environmental responsibility, and everyday convenience. For consumers who want to reduce fuel expenses and embrace modern technology without the limitations of a fully electric vehicle, hybrids present an ideal solution. One of the biggest reasons to buy a hybrid car in 2026 is its ability to save fuel. Hybrid vehicles use both a gasoline engine and an electric motor to power the vehicle, allowing them to consume less fuel than conventional cars. The electric motor assists the engine during acceleration and low-speed driving, reducing the amount of gasoline needed. As a result, drivers can travel farther on a single tank of fuel and spend less money at the gas station. Over several years of ownership, these savings can add up to thousands of dollars, making a hybrid vehicle a smart financial investment. Environmental awareness is becoming increasingly important, and hybrid vehicles help drivers reduce their carbon footprint. Because they use less fuel, hybrids produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. This reduction in emissions contributes to cleaner air and helps combat environmental challenges such as climate change. For consumers who want to make a positive environmental impact without fully transitioning to an electric vehicle, a hybrid offers a practical and effective alternative.
Hybrid technology has improved significantly over the past decade. Modern hybrid vehicles are equipped with sophisticated systems that seamlessly switch between gasoline and electric power to maximize efficiency and performance. In 2026, hybrid cars feature improved battery technology, smarter energy management systems, and enhanced driving experiences. These advancements allow hybrids to deliver smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and greater overall efficiency than ever before. Many hybrid systems have been tested and refined over decades, making them highly reliable. Major automotive manufacturers have invested heavily in developing durable hybrid technology that can withstand years of daily use. Modern hybrid batteries are designed to last for a long time and are often supported by extensive warranties. Additionally, because the electric motor helps reduce the workload of the gasoline engine, certain components may experience less wear and tear over time, contributing to long-term reliability. Unlike fully electric vehicles, most hybrid cars do not require external charging. The battery recharges automatically through regenerative braking and energy generated while driving. This means drivers can enjoy many of the benefits of electrification without worrying about locating charging stations or waiting for batteries to recharge. Hybrid vehicles provide excellent convenience, especially for people who frequently travel long distances or live in areas where charging infrastructure is limited.
Hybrid vehicles often retain their value well in the used car market. As fuel efficiency and environmental sustainability become more important to consumers, demand for hybrid vehicles continues to grow. A strong resale value means owners may recover a larger portion of their investment when selling or trading in their vehicle. This makes hybrids not only economical during ownership, but also financially beneficial when it comes time to upgrade. Hybrid vehicles perform exceptionally well in urban environments, where stop-and-go traffic is common. During low-speed driving, the electric motor can handle much of the vehicle's movement, reducing fuel consumption. Additionally, regenerative braking captures energy during braking and stores it in the battery for later use. This makes hybrids particularly efficient for commuters who spend a lot of time driving in city traffic. Many hybrid vehicles available in 2026 come equipped with the latest safety technologies. These features help protect drivers, passengers, and pedestrians while making driving easier and more comfortable. Common safety features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, parking assistance systems. These technologies help reduce the risk of accidents and provide greater confidence behind the wheel. Today's hybrid vehicles are designed to offer more than just efficiency. Many models feature premium interiors, advanced infotainment systems, smartphone connectivity, and high-quality materials. Drivers and passengers can enjoy comfortable seating, large touchscreen displays, wireless charging, voice controls, and other modern conveniences. Hybrid buyers no longer need to sacrifice comfort or technology in exchange for better fuel economy.
As the automotive industry continues its transition toward cleaner transportation, hybrid vehicles serve as an important bridge between traditional gasoline cars and fully electric vehicles. They allow drivers to experience the benefits of electrification while maintaining the flexibility and convenience of a gasoline-powered vehicle. For consumers who are not yet ready to switch to a fully electric car, hybrids offer an excellent way to embrace the future of transportation. A hybrid car is one of the smartest vehicle purchases you can make in 2026. It offers exceptional fuel efficiency, lower operating costs, reduced emissions, advanced technology, proven reliability, and everyday convenience. Whether you are looking to save money, help the environment, or enjoy the latest automotive innovations, a hybrid vehicle provides a balanced solution that meets the needs of modern drivers. With rising fuel costs, growing environmental concerns, and continuous improvements in hybrid technology, there has never been a better time to consider a hybrid car. For many consumers, it represents the perfect combination of practicality, efficiency, and future-ready transportation.